This is the elevator at the Royal Turn building at a Marriott vacation rental. And turn that on. An OTIS mod here. Don't know what this was originally. This was definitely something old. Going up. So 5. Series 1 mod. Here we go. What the hell is that chime? That's an OTIS interlock. This was definitely yeah. Don't know what this was originally. That's dusty. It's a hand sanitizer. This is a nice cab. It's a little beat up in some areas. You got like a chip here missing. Very nice. Series 1 mod, it looks like. Oh boy. That's like about to fall off. I remember it was so light. Going up. Oh, are you going up? Okay then. Goes. And that's it. This is the elevator at the Kingfisher building. Here at a Marriott vacation rental facility in Hilton, Ireland. I love this button. Look at this. So satisfying to press. You know, I don't even know if this was definitely a mod, but it's hard to tell what this was originally. Might have been an OTIS Lexan. Could have easily been. Well, no, it's not. I wonder if this is just a COP replacement. Screws. This thing is busy. Yeah, I wonder if this was just like a call station replacement. Because this was obviously originally a Series 1, you could tell. Kingfisher. Not bad. That's a huge gap. Look at that. This thing is like stopping at every floor, I think. I wonder if this one have a weird chime. There it is. Just like the other one. Let's go up to 5. Here we go. What the hell? Holy Jesus. Holy Jesus. This thing's a death trap. Marriott Vacation Club. This thing wobbled so much going up. Oh my god. Just like the other one. Other one was nicer, for sure. Yeah, these are nothing. maintained. 3,500 pound capacity. Here are the fixtures. Series 1.
You coming down or you?
Oh yeah, oh shoot. Forgot I wasn't on the right floor.
Gonna try the ice thing again?
There is a small bag of ice in that one.
Give it a shot. I'll walk over. How's that?
I mean, it worked out yesterday.
If it works. Here.
Am I gonna have a wall?
You got it.
Thought it was on one. There it goes. And that's it. This is the Sandpiper building here at a Marriott vacation rental property in Hilton Island. This is right across from the place I'm staying at, Seascape. And I don't know where the elevator is, so we're gonna find it. That's the Pelican building. Oh, it's right here. It's another one. This is car 4. It's underleveled. This is gonna be a jolt. Here we go. No bump. Can see the floors passing by. There's like a just like the others. This one's definitely one of the nicer ones. This one has a great motor. It vibrates a lot though. This thing's nice. Oh yeah, it looks like this one has phone box issues. Cause like, this is like, oh, I see. That like falls off. 3,500 pounds. Nice. Mirror one. I love these buttons. And the door has those weird sensors where it doesn't close immediately. Rusty interlock. It's all Otis. Oh, my bad. There it goes. And that's it.